Hello, this is a walkthrough of one of my apps. It's called Allocate. It's a solo project I did, and it's a user-friendly budgeting app that's designed to help users make healthy financial decisions. So let's log in as a user that already has data in here. So you can see Jacob has all of this already set up. So let's walk through it really quick. On the top here is the month bar that shows you how much you've spent so far and the income that you've allocated for this month. You can see here that you have these budget cards. And when you click on the budget, you can see in the back the expenses of that budget, how much you set for that month, how much you spent for that month, and how much is remaining. Let's click it again, and it turns back around. You can see that the bar turns red when you go over your budget for that month. So you can see here that Jacob went over $511 in shopping. It turns green when you meet it perfectly. You can see here he paid his rent for $1,000. On the right here is how you add an expense. You can add expense down here. Just put in the name, the amount, and the category. The category is automatically populated when you create the budget. So just click that again to get out of there. You can click here on My Budget. It shows you a visual representation of your budgeting habits. So you can see here the blue is the budget you set, and the red is the total expenses for that month. And in each month, you can click here to go through each month. You can see two things. You can see how much you spent the most um, in that budget, and then you can also see here which ones are the ones that you went over. For you can see here, shopping is the one that Jacob went over. And if you go back actually into August, you can see here that it is red. You can confirm that. So for the last thing, I'm going to create a new budget. So in February, there's no budget yet. Let's just create one. Automatically takes you to this page. You can input your income. Let's say Jacob made $4,000 that month. Then you can see this green button, just click it. Now it shows up this data that you need to level out. So you make $4,000 in that month. You have to plan for every dollar that you're going to spend in that month. So for instance, for shopping, let's say shopping, he's going to spend about $500 there. Let's add another category. You can see it's automatically calculating there on the right. Let's say for rent again, he's gonna pay $1,500. And just to finish it all up, let's say for groceries, he's gonna pay $2,000. And now you can see it's all even out and then turn green here too. So let's submit the budget. And it automatically renders a budget card for each. Everything's still empty. I can just add an expense on here to continue to fill those out. So again, this is Allocate, and thank you for listening.